Our I-Do says David has $537 he has been saving up for his own iPad. He found an iPad that costs $465 and bought it online. How much money does David have left over? So the first thing we're going to do is our cube strategy. And we have to circle our numbers, and I see 537, and I see 465. I'm going to underline my question, and it says, how much money does David have left over? I'm going to box my action words. He found an iPad that costs and bought. I see leftover and how much. So my equation will be, since he's buying it, we are subtracting. So my equation will be 537 minus, or take away, 465 is equal to our unknown. So I can do this work by doing a number line. And so 465 can be broken down into expanded form, which could be 400, because that's the 4 is in the value of my hundreds place, plus 60, because of the value of my tens place, plus 5. And since we're subtracting, I'm going to start at the right of my number line, and we're going back. So I'm going to start with 537 Well, I don't know what 537 minus 465 is, but I do know that if I subtract 400, I get 137. And I'm going to check that saying I've used that. Now, I'm still not finished because I still have to add my I have to take away 65. Well, I still don't know what 137 minus what 65 is. So I can decompose it to 60 to be 30 plus 30. And I do know what 137 minus 30 is. And that's 107. And then 107 minus another 30 would be 77. So then now I'll have to do subtract 5. And I know 77 minus 5 is 72. So we could say David has $72 left because 537 minus 465 is equal to 72, and we used the number line strategy to solve.